Hi everyone, welcome to my next video. Today it is the black photo cloth I'm putting in behind where I'll be doing some of my videos. Now, the reason I'm doing this is when I was looking through the camera I can see white, 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 all light colors, and to me it just seems like a little bit, too much of one color. I don't know if that makes any sense. So I picked this up, this black photo material on Amazon.com, and I'm going to be putting it up and behind here. So my poor Deadpool poster, I'll probably be moving that. Alright, so that'll do it for now. I'll have to move my calendar. So my next set of videos I'm going to be doing with this black background instead of white, and I'm hoping that that will just look a little better. For this video, your comments will be really helpful. I'm just curious to see what people think. If it's this color, if something else is better, just let me know. The comments of course are always welcome, and helpful feedback for my videos.